Imagine waking up every morning that $1,000 is being deposited into your account every single month without you lifting a finger. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make this dream your reality with dividend investing. And trust me, it's simpler than you think.
Welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of trading time for money and looking for a way to build wealth while you sleep, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm breaking down how you can earn $1,000 per month in passive income with dividends even if you're starting with a small amount of savings.
By the end of this video, you'll have a clear action plan to start your journey toward financial freedom. So grab a notebook and stick around to the end for some bonus tips. First, let's quickly cover what dividends are. Dividends are payments companies make to their shareholders. Essentially, they're sharing a portion of their profits with you. Think of it as a reward for owning a piece of their business. The best part, these payments often come quarterly, meaning you'll get consistent cash flow just for being invested. Some companies, like Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson, have been paying and even increasing their dividends for decades. This consistency makes dividend stocks a powerful tool for passive income. Now, let's break down how you can achieve $1,000 per month or $12,000 per year with dividends. Determine the yield. Dividend yield is the percentage of a company's stock price that it pays out in dividends each year.
For example, if a stock costs $100 and pays $4 annually, its yield is 4%. Calculate your investment. To earn $12,000 a year with a 4% yield, you'd need to invest $300,000. Hey, race the formula. Investment needed equals annual income divided by dividend yield, $12,000 divided by 0.04 equals $300,000. If this sounds overwhelming, don't worry, we'll cover how to start small and build up over time.
Not all dividend stocks are created equal. Here's what to look for. Dividend aristocrats. These are companies that have consistently increased their dividends for at least 25 years. Examples include Procter & Gamble, PepsiCo, and 3M. High yield versus dividend growth. While high-yield stocks might seem attractive, focus on companies with sustainable payout ratios and a history of growth. A 2 to 4% yield with steady growth often outperforms risky high-yield stocks over the long term. Diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across sectors like healthcare, technology, and consumer goods to minimize risk. You don't need $300,000 to start. Here's a practical plan. Set a goal. Begin with a target, like earning $100 per month. This is more manageable and still meaningful. Reinvest dividends. Use a DRIP dividend reinvestment plan to automatically reinvest dividends and accelerate growth through compounding. Add regularly. Treat your dividend portfolio like a savings account. Invest a set amount each month, whether it's $100 or $1,000. Over time, your portfolio will grow, and so will your passive income. Finally, remember to account for taxes. In most cases, dividends are taxed as ordinary income or at a lower rate for their qualified dividend. Consider holding dividend stocks in tax-advantaged accounts, like a Roth IRA, to keep more of your money. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to earning $1,000 per month in passive income with dividends. The sooner you start, the sooner you can enjoy the benefits of passive income.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss future content. Also, drop a comment below. What's your biggest goal with passive income? Let's start the conversation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.